suppose r prime of 1 is 13. Hey, if f of x r as a function of what? 8x, find this one. So for the first one, what we're going to do is very simple. We have this one, and we're told to find the derivative of that function. So what we're going to do is going to be this equal to differentiate. This is going to be a chain rule. And don't forget, when you have a chain rule, f of g of x is a function inside a function. The derivative will be equal to prime of g of x and then times g prime of x. You differentiate the outer function, which will be r prime of that function, and then times derivative of the inner function. That's it. And that's giving us this. The f prime at 1 over 8. That's very simple. So anywhere you see your s, you plug in 1 over 8. And that will be equal to what? That's giving us this. You now go to the suppose, the given information, and plug in your r prime 1, which is what? 13. Anywhere you see this one, you put 13 there. And that will be 8 times what? 8 times 13. That's giving us 104. So that's the first part. What we are going to do, we are going to get the g prime, which is the derivative of this function. We're going to apply this same chain rule. That will be derivative of the outer function times derivative of the inner function. And that's what times 1. Then the next thing to do now is to plug in the given points, which is minus 6. So that will be g prime of minus 6. Minus 6 plus 7. That will give you 1. R prime of 1 is what? Is 13. The c parts. Derivative of the h prime of x will be equal to differentiate the outer function and then times derivative of the composite function. That's just differentiate this one 1 over 5. Then don't forget, the point is what? Is 5. So plug in there and that'll be what? 5 over 5, that's 1 times what? 1 over 5. And then we have this r prime of 1 as 13. So the answer is what? 13 times what? Times 1 over 5. So that's that on this particular question. If you're watching me for the first time, please kindly smash the watermarks on the video and hit on the notification bell so that anytime I upload, you get notified of the new updates. Click on the like button and begin to type your comments. Make this section interactive. And finally, share on all your social media platforms. Thank you for doing that.